Welcome to our channel. Deleting your browsing history from Google Home helps maintain your privacy and keeps your activity clean. Step 1. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select My Activity from the drop-down menu to view your Google activity history. Step 4. This will open Google's My Activity page in your browser, showing all recorded activities including Google Home interactions. Step 5. Use the search bar or filter options to find specific browsing history or commands you've given to Google Home. Step 6. To delete individual items, tap the three-dot menu next to each entry and select Delete. Step 7. For bulk deletion, click Delete Activity By from the left menu. Choose your date range and select Delete to remove multiple entries at once. Step 8. Confirm your deletion when prompted to permanently remove the selected browsing history from your Google Home records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.